There was a boy named Arham. He studied in class 8 and was very fond of science. One day, there was going to be a science fair at school. All the children prepared different projects. Some made solar cars, some made rockets, some made wind turbines, and some made automatic opening and closing gates. But Arham made something completely different. A small box on which it was written, "The box that fulfills your heart's desires." Wish box. When Arham showed it to everyone, the children started laughing. "Is this magic? This is a science fair, not a movie set," Hamza said. Even the teacher said, "Arham, this is interesting, but will it really work?" Arham simply smiled and replied, "Let's see, sir." When Arham reached home, he sat in front of the box, closed his eyes, and said softly, "I wish tomorrow's math test gets canceled." The next day, when he went to school, suddenly the principal's voice came. "Children, today's math test is postponed because Sir Shakir is unwell." Arham was stunned. Is this box really working? From then on, Arham started wishing for something every day. "I wish I had my own mobile." The next day, his dad gave him one of his mobiles. "I wish Hamza becomes my friend." Hamza came and befriended him. "I wish there were school holidays." Suddenly, due to a virus outbreak, all schools were closed. But one day, Arham, without thinking, said, "I wish everything ends. This homework, these rules, this school, these teachers, these tensions. I just want peace." The next day, when Arham woke up, the whole house was silent. No dad, no mom, no brother. Calling out to them, he went outside, but the entire neighborhood was deserted. No school, no neighbors, no mobile, no TV, no friends, no voices, only silence everywhere. There was peace everywhere, but in reality, this peace started eating him up from inside. It was such a state that even a person who loves solitude would end up tearing his hair out. Now he realized the importance of those relationships with whom he fought daily over small things. His dad's strictness now felt beneficial to him. His mother's cooked food felt extremely delicious for the first time, and playing with his brother felt like one of the greatest blessings in the world. His friend Hamza, Sir Shakir, school, books, homework, and all those things he had gotten fed up with, now felt deeply part of him, things he had gotten used to. "What have I done? I just said it without meaning it." He ran to the box. On the box it was written, "One last wish left." Arham burst into tears. "I want everything back, just like before, and this box should never reach anyone again." Suddenly, light came out of the box, and Arham fainted. When he opened his eyes, he was in school. Everything was back to normal. The teacher called out, "Arham, is your test ready?" Arham smiled and said, "Yes, sir, in this world, hard work is everything." The box had disappeared. Shortcuts don't always help. Magic is temporary. Real power lies in hard work and good intentions. Appeared.